Picture this, your product is set up, but turning it into an actual ad campaign feels like it needs a design team, a budget spreadsheet, and a week you don't have. With Vyroq, it takes one click, open any product's detail page. Choose how many variants, 2, 4, or 8, and if you want, override the ad format or model preference for just this run. Hit Generate Ad Variants and your campaign starts. Watch its status move from queued to generating with a live count of exactly which variant is rendering right now. Here's the payoff. Every campaign you've ever run stays listed right on the product page, its status, its variant count, one click away from reopening. When it's complete, your full set of ad-ready creative is sitting there, generated and waiting. No designer, no back and forth, no delay. That's a real ad campaign. Targeted format, track progress, and finished creative, launched from a single product page. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.